Stuck on been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you.
One more destination on Namrata's travel trails. Females are in all fields now. So that's. Oh, see the colors in the sky. Ole. Okay, we are on the Bicholim Bridge now. How beautiful it looks, yeah? That's a bus stand of Bicholim town. Our Lady of Grace Church. And this is the old bus stand. This is the old place where the kiddos used to stay. Theatre. Lamgao Caves. We can take the car. Thank you. Girls Gully Cricket. I love it. So we have reached a place which is called Lamgao. इतना वैसे दूर है नहीं. So that's Devik, my nephew. That's my niece Vaishnavi. I call her Cookie. This is Babu. That's Abhay.
Hi.
And that's me. As a man behind the camera always, but we thought चलो सब कैमरा के अंदर आ जाते हैं. So today we are going to Lamgao Caves, a very very famous caves of Bicholim. So let's begin the journey. A lot of water bodies and you can see a lot of farms made here. And the health of the farm is here. He. Rudreshwar Devasthan. That's basically a Shiva temple. So here we go. Woo-woo. Hey, we reached at this spot. And if you think this is the cave, then it is not. It's a small hole in the rock. So there we go. So this is one cave. You can see so many cockroaches there. Oh my god, hell lot of bats. Can you see that? Terrible. And I go on top, guys. A lot of ants. It feels nice. I don't think my clothes are appropriate though. But it's nice. There's no entry and all. They're just rocks. This is how it looks. On top. Who's in? Have you seen a cave? That was a jackfruit cave. This place stings like hell. Masks are so good here. You must wear a mask. Oh my god, oh my god. If you think the chirping sound is of birds, then you are highly mistaken because they are not birds. These are bats who normally you see in caves. They take the shelter because they're the coolest places for them. They can hide and their colony becomes really big. Because it's Lamgao, Lamas are basically Buddhist and these are Buddhist caves. But what we have seen over the years, like Buddhist caves always have these paintings and carvings. This is quite scary though, but let's try to walk there. Water is seeping down, so there is some water close by. There were rains also in the month of December. It's very, very dark. I can hardly show you anything actually. I can see a lot of light. Hello. A lot of people come to watch it from different places. Did you go far to search?
Yeah, we went, people living over there.
Yeah.
We asked them, they said, you have to go back, it's just 50 meters from there.
Yeah. क्या क्या खोज के निकलता है कहाँ कहाँ से. There's some animal here who is staying. Made a cave for himself in the cave. See, my chicos are carefully watching it. Can you see this? This used to be 4 pillars that could hold the cave properly. This looks the fourth pillar. It's completely disappeared. This is the only pillar which is holding the cave properly. So it really needs proper care and maintenance. Baba always said that these caves are so very important because they have those hideouts, the road that could connect two villages. Or if you see inside, there's a big tunnel that goes to Shirgaon and it connects. But now there's a lot of mud inside and lot of animals live, so people don't dare to go. Caves have two hideouts. One, the temple also have a cave that connects to the other route. Baba हमेशा कहते थे कि these are the hidden roads that could connect two places. And Shirgaon you have Lairayi temple, which is like very very famous. वहाँ पे जत्रा भी होती है सबसे बड़ी. But if you ask locals, they will always say these are Pandava caves. But if you really dig into deep, we don't see any architectural which has a Buddhist symbolism. But probably back then it had. These two guys have been to Ajanta caves. Difference you find in these and those caves?
They have like architecture of Buddha and all over there.
So the paintings and all are different there, right?
Yeah.
And you, what do you like there most?
They have a more kind of architecture art, but these caves, these are like more natural kind.
Cool, yeah. And it shows, and if you are here, wear your long clothes because we call them ghost, bhoot. ये चिपक जाते हैं पूरे कपड़ों पे. So if you have like open legs, it will definitely itch you. Difficult. It's easy to come here. It's difficult to come down from here. There are two big holes on top. Here where I'm sitting on the rock, it takes me back to 6th century because this is the temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, belongs to 6th century, and the springs make this area so very amazing. Monks used to drink the water, but today it is used for cleaning utensils and washing clothes. But that normally happens in any and every village of India. We have been to Tamrisula temple, if you remember, and there was Nandi, wherein the head of the Nandi was cut, and here also we see the same thing.
Monks sit in a cave next to next 5 monks can sit in one cave.
So they travel a lot of people together, so they can have like lot of caves, and comparatively they're very small. That's the big cave which is very like different from Buddhist cave. The structure wise is quite architecture very different. Hey, not for you, baby. What's your name? So we had little hand on time, so thought of just looking around, and we found just two temples. One is Vadeshwar and another one is Adi Maya. Okay, with this we are coming to the end of our Lamgao Caves episode, and life is full of excitement. Just like that Touch Me Not, we don't know what it has in store, but I have two gems with me, Vaishnavi and Devi. So Namrata's Travel Trails is my channel. Don't forget to comment, like,
Subscribe.